Assalamualaikum. Welcome back with me, Sefrina. I would like to review my discussion topic, same as like the previous meeting about technology and future. My discussion topic about technology and future is so relatable in this time because people too addicted with technology. Technology can make easier our lives. So we also dependent about the technology for learning, for shopping, for banking, and etc. I think it's a positive impact about the development of technology because it can make the people easier to make everything about their lives. But on the other side, we also know the phenomenon about AI. AI it's make us to faster finishing the text or etc. AI gives us the answer about everything that we want to know. It's a good, but in the other side, there's also the negative impacts. People could be lazy because people just want to know the answer, but there's no effort to have. They want to know. They can be less effort to get something. And about the books, in this digital era, there are many e-books and audiobooks. I think it's also good. It also makes us easier to read in anywhere, everywhere, every time. But are e-books and audiobooks valuable, such as physical book? I think there's a different experience when we read a physical book because when we read the physical books, there's no distraction with others. Whether if we read electronic books or audio books, there's more distraction. I think like there's notification in our social media, chat or etc. And also when we read in the ebook, we read it in the screen, so it can that impact I think for our vision, yeah, our eyes health. And then the last but not least is about the content in this digital era like podcast, blog, or YouTube is a literary work. Maybe yes, maybe no. No, if the content is just for entertainment, yes. If the content is relatable with the literature and have new positive insights to the audience. That's all my review for my discussion topic in the previous meeting. I think the topic that I discussed is meaningful for the audience, like that I have explained in the previous meeting. And the one thing that we should remember and aware about the technology can replace the human role, but the human should be the control the technology. So we should more selective and filtering their everything in the social media or something influenced by the technology. Okay, I think this is my review about my discussion topic. See you in the next meeting. Bye.